Hello YouTube, this is a wind-up deck list. As you can see, this is a very good deck. I am using doing that work right now. My username is Alex4555. If you want to get any hints on new decks, just let me know. Okay, onto the deck list. 3 hunters, 1 kitten, 2 knights, 3 bunnies, rabbits, yeah, sorry, 3 rats, 3 sharks, 2 soldiers, 2 warriors, 1 dark hole, heavy, 2 insta fusions, 1 mind control, monster reborn, 2 space typhoons, and power duality. And last, 3 factors. 3 compulsory, because of the anti-mana, Insector plays, all those decks. You cannot go wrong with this card. Right now, this is a very good card to get. A Mirror Force, Solemn, Warning, and 2 Tarantulas. Just for Insector plays, and finally Chaos Dragons. That deck really got me pissed off. Lastly, a Fire Knight. Love this card. Instant Fusion, 3 carrier. It's a good card. Ojama Knight. I basically use it so I could get 2 space out of 2 spaces for them. That means no hero plays. Yeah. Adris, Gaia, Leviathan, Mastrock, Leviathan, Utopia, Terrace, Zenmayo, Carriers, and Zenmaze. Hope you guys liked the deck list. Goodbye.